guys, Emily with Blonde Hair Bar here, and I've got my client Kimmy. We just installed hair, and I'm going to show you guys how to take care of it and shampoo the hair that's not in your install every time you feel like you're getting greasy. A couple times a week would be fine, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to take the installed hair and put it up on top of the head. We're going to use a clip and secure the hair on top of the head. Then we're going to take our shower cap and put it around your install. Okay? This way, the installed hair on your braid does not get wet, which is going to cause slippage for thin angel fine hair, and we want this to stay in as long as we possibly can. So what you're going to do is you're just going to shampoo around the edges and shampoo here and shampoo all back here and just shampoo, and then rinse. Add your conditioner to the ends if you like, and then when you get out of the shower, you're going to towel dry this hair, and then voila, take this off, and this is all going to be dry. Then you're going to be set for the day, and you can just blow dry around the edges. When you want to wash or condition or restyle your installed hair, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the shower. Here's the shower head. You're just going to hold this hair up and let the water hit it mid to ends and do this. So that way the installed part with your braids does not get wet, because it's going to take a long time for it to dry, and sometimes, you don't want to put shampoo in here because it's going to soak through and it's going to get stuck in your braids. You don't want that. You want it to be nice and clean, and you want it to just continue building up that acid mantle on the scalp, so that way your hair drinks up your nutrients, your oils. It's not going to be as oily as you guys think. It's going to be beautiful, sheeny, nice, brand new hair when you guys have your installs re-put in. Now, and then you're just going to blow dry with the blow dryer, blow drying it down, so that way it doesn't rough up the cuticle, and voila, then you're going to be done. Can I ask what type of brush you should use? Oh yes, good question, Kimmy. So what I would do is use a wet brush, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So it's really nice to use a wet brush because these bristles are very soft and they don't snag on any hair, or, God forbid if they caught like a piece of thread or something like that. So you want to be very natural and very soft. So a wet, and then at night when you guys go to sleep, depending on how long the hair is, but you normally want to just protect it. So you're going to put your hair into 2 braids, one on both sides of the head. And this is super, super cute. Guys love it, especially when you go to the gym. You don't need to worry about putting your hair into a ponytail anymore. You just do cute little girl braids and you're going to eat it up like candy.
Should I do this every night before bed?
Every night before you go to bed, just to keep it nice and tangle-free. You can even put some of the, if you go to my website under Products We Love, you can find the Fortifying Reparative Tonic, and it just repairs the ends while you sleep. So it's really cute. And then you can see back here, you can't see anything. It just looks like it's your own natural hair. So it's really awesome. 2 braids. Okay, awesome guys. Bye.